Alright, hey guys! Tiger's here today, and I will be showing you a way you can get betas, whatever you want. Like, gosh, I can fit in the spots. But moving on. Alright, so the first step is to get a bunch of plushies. I'll go get one. Let's see. Alright, so I'm going to my upper den, so the den I just went to is this one. I prefer using that one that you use in your pick up. And I'm using that one if that's underwater. I'm using my saber-tooth tiger den for example. You come over here. See this? This is what we need to ask him. Well, we don't need to ask him anything, so first, you know what? Let me just. First, you go into games, get the claw, and get a plushie. I will be back once I get a plushie. I had a jackpot spot right here. The last time I've been here, it was like a real quick. Actually, it was just my first try, and I got it. All right, keep. I'm not gonna argue about that. Then you clear out your den, like this. Oh, new looking den. It is so clean. All right, then you go in your inventory. I already have a bunch of plushies. Then you put them with the rest of your plushies, like this.
Bananas. So.
Kabam! Okay, I will eat my bananas once I get this thing. Ooh, I got a bruise on the banana.
I bruised the banana.
Did you hit it? Okay, moving on. So, you make a plushie store with your other plushies. You can also add some of the toys from the arcade. I'm gonna show you what I mean by it. This plankton is visible. If you hit the plankton, you'll get it. I'll show you if I can. You do not want to look at it when you miss. Okay. And you can also put in your den. You can also have, if you remember, you can also have a sign that says plushie store, but if you don't remember, does not care. Now let's see what parties are on. You should go to a party like that if it's like Best Guest or Call of the Apples. It's not gonna work out, so you have to wait until the next one. Nothing happens in an elective party, like nothing. So I'll go to the party. See if I can have a full sofa. Got fun in here. Giving away my list. Yay! Which one should I get? Comment down below. This one, or this one. Let's see if they actually do anything. They're not, I promise they're not. See, look, I am good at these things. And yeah, that's what you gotta do. And you also tell them that you don't want ever plushies, and no plain things from the JAMA store. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye.